A joy to be around, unveiling its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a heartwarming phrase that you might have heard or even used before. A joy to be around. Understanding these words will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also enrich your appreciation of the nuances in English expressions. So, let's get started and find out why this phrase is so special. The phrase, a joy to be around, is made up of a few simple words, but together, they convey a powerful message. Let's break it down. A joy refers to a feeling of great pleasure or happiness. To be around means to be in someone's presence or company. When combined, the phrase celebrates someone's presence as a source of happiness and pleasure for those around them. It's a compliment of the highest order, suggesting that the person not only makes others happy but their very presence is a reason for joy. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a wonderful addition to your English expression toolkit. Here are some scenarios where a joy to be around fits perfectly. Praising someone's personality, when you want to compliment someone on their positive, uplifting personality. Acknowledging someone's impact, to express appreciation for how someone makes a group feel happier or more comfortable. Writing in cards or messages, a beautiful way to convey your feelings in written form, be it in thank you cards, birthday wishes, or appreciation notes. Remember, the sincerity of your compliment is key when using this phrase. It's most powerful when you genuinely feel the joy someone brings into your life. To help you understand how to use a joy to be around in context, here are a few examples. My grandmother is such a joy to be around. Her stories and laughter light up the room. Thank you for being you. You're truly a joy to be around and make tough times much easier. His optimistic outlook on life makes him a joy to be around, especially when things get challenging. These examples showcase how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, emphasizing its flexibility and warmth. A joy to be around is more than just a phrase, it's a heartfelt compliment that celebrates the positive impact someone has on others. Whether you're speaking or writing, using this expression can beautifully convey your admiration and appreciation for someone's presence in your life. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this delightful phrase for you. Remember, the English language is full of expressions that can help us express our deepest feelings. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find just the right words for every moment. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay joyful and keep spreading positivity wherever you go.